Hi, my name is Heather, and today I'm going to paint this kitty figurine to look like my kitty in the theme of Christmas. This past summer, I went to the flea market and I found these two figurines that I thought would be perfect for a repaint. I actually repainted both of them, but I decided to do them as two separate videos because the video would have ended up being way too long with both of them. So keep an eye out for the next repaint video where I'll paint the bunny. All that said, let's get started. Alright, so I just cleaned them and scrubbed them so they're all nice and ready to go. I have this air dry clay, which I want to use to make some little hats and scarves and make them look festive. I'm pretty happy with the scarf, and I want to put like a little Santa hat on her. I think that would be so cute. So I'm gonna get some more clay for that, and I'll roll it out flat so then I can kind of make the hat out of it. I have no idea how to make a hat though, but I guess it would be like making a cone. So I think that should work okay if I just trim it. Oh yeah, I do really like it when the hats kind of fold over though, so maybe I'll try that too. I think it would be cute. I'm not sure how I'm gonna make it work with her ears though. I kind of want her ears to be like sticking out of it. Maybe I just have to cut some little sections for her ears, I think. This looks a little crazy, but I'm gonna put the white band around the bottom, so I think that'll make it all kind of come together. think that looks pretty cute, but I'll probably just want to build the hat up a little bit more. But I think the band looks pretty good. I'm just going to add a little bit of clay here and here because I feel like the hat's a little too skinny, and then I think it'll look pretty good after that. That's starting to look a lot better. Let's do the other side. I think that's done, except I just thought of one other thing that would just be so cute, is to have like a little bow on her tail. So I kind of have to do that because I just think it would be adorable. I think this is pretty much done as far as the clay goes. So I'm going to go ahead and let her dry. Now that she's all dry, I'm just smoothing her down with a nail buffer. Then I'm just going to use a few layers of gesso to prime her, so then she'll be all ready to paint with acrylic paints. Now she's all primed and I can start painting. I'm going to start with a nice base coat that is going to be kind of the undercoat, and then I can just brush the highlights on afterwards. So for the white parts, I'll just make it a little bit darker than the white because it's going to be kind of more of a shadow. So I'll just take a little bit of black and make a very, very light gray. I'm going to start adding the clothing colors too. So I want to go with kind of a traditional red and green Christmas theme. I'm all done with my base coats, so now I can get to the fun part, which is going to be brushing on the colors. Now I can make this look a little nicer, and I'm going to brush on a little bit of the lighter color over it. Here's the finished version of my kitty. I hope you enjoyed following along with me while I did my repaint, and stay tuned for the next video where I will be repainting the bunny figurine to look like my bunny. Thanks for watching. Bye!